Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing fantastic today because I have something super exciting to share with you. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. I'm back with a product that's honestly too good not to share, so let's dive right in because this one's a real find. You know how sometimes you come across something that just ticks all the boxes? Well, this is one of those times. Alright, so first things first, the design. This is where it all starts, right? The first impression is everything. This product just looks cool. I mean, just look at it. It's sleek, modern, and has that wow factor that makes you want to show it off to everyone. Check out this sleek design. It's like it was crafted by someone who really understands what makes a product not just functional, but also a joy to look at. It's got a modern look that fits perfectly in any setting, whether it's your home, workspace, or even as a gift. Imagine walking into a room and seeing this beauty. It just elevates the whole space. Just look at these details and craftsmanship. It's clear a lot of thought went into making this product not just functional but also stylish. Every curve, every line, it all screams quality and attention to detail. I mean, who doesn't love a product that's both practical and eye-catching, right? It's like getting the best of both worlds. And here's the kicker, the price. This is where things get really interesting. Usually something that looks and feels this good comes with a high price tag, but this one's super